Check out this cool rebuild Texaco gas station. I just love stuff like that. That's so neat.
Hello guys, and welcome to KassDays. We are on a little tour in Southern Alberta, Highway 61 to be more precise. It's also known as the Red Coat Trail. And one of the points of interest amongst some ghost towns or partial ghost towns, which we capture along the way, is the Etzikom Museum, which we are at right now. We are in the part of, it's kind of a replica of an old service bay with gas stations. I would probably say from 40s, 40s, something like that. And we also will go out and check out some more stuff. They have old windmills, and it's actually, we haven't seen everything yet, but a very nice place. I could also place the order here with this fellow, but I think he's not the quickest anymore. I've been waiting for a little while. But anyhow, perhaps by the time you're done, the order is ready, so please join us.
Guess we're inside an old service bay now. How this potentially looked way back. There's another name, at least in Canada from the past, Gulf. Guess that was a service garage way back. Check out the wheels with the rubber tires, but the spokes, they're all made out of wood. Old signage for Virginia Millbank cigarettes. Parts cabinet with old parts. Then over here we have another 1926 Dodge Brothers. That's nowadays Dodge Ram. Restored 85, you see the sign here. Advertisement was a silent 12-volt starter. Guess you didn't need the crank anymore. I'll just swing a bit around. You see this vehicle. Have some more old tools, signage. Even fire extinguishers. Look at that, return this towel to your Purity 99 dealer. Fire extinguishers. Old picture. I guess the mechanic is on a little bit of a break here. Stove. Actually a gas stove already, I think, if you check down here the valve. Nabob coffee. An old can. Here we are back. The car. Check out these old gas pumps here. Gravity fed. You have the lever, you pump the gasoline into the glass, most by gallons, and then if you wanted to have 5 gallons, so that's displayed up here, and then you have the hose, train it in the customer's tank, and that's how you got gas way back. Then I guess here we have a few more old tools. Tap and die set. When you had to make stuff and it was not just readily available to just buy us parts, you may sometimes have to make your own parts.